How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our dual memory K-Force tow light bars. Now we offer these units in our slimmer K-Force Micro 50 model, our K-Force 55, and our K-Force 65. So let's go ahead and hook this unit up and go over the features. So when you get your unit out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your cable harness here. Now on your cable harness, you'll notice a connector, and this is to be used with our optional Supreme control, or you can cut this off in Hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll have your main power cables here, and then you'll also have your aux cables here where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your Supreme control box. And then since this is a tow light bar model, you'll also have your stop tail turn cables as well. So let's go ahead and get this unit hooked up and go over the features. So for example here, I'm using my K-Force 55 with my optional Supreme control box, which I plugged in via connector. Now on my optional Supreme control, I have a 3-position slide switch here. So in position 1, that will activate the back of my light bar, position 2 will activate the front of my light bar, and position 3 will activate my light bar in 360 mode. So this light bar has 2 flash pattern memories by using my mode button. Now when my mode button is deactivated, I'm in mode 1, and then if I activate my mode button, I'm in mode 2 with my second flash pattern memory. And then here I have my pattern changer where I can easily cycle through my pre-programmed flash patterns on my light bar. And then if I would like to go back to mode 1, I can simply deactivate my mode button. And I do have flash pattern memory per slide switch position on my switch box. And then here I have my takedown, alley, and cruise buttons. Now my takedowns will be my 2 white front takedowns. My alleys will be my 2 side alley lights, and since this is a tow light bar, I do have my rear work lights here as well that will activate on the alley button. And then my cruise function, and then here I have my aux button where I can activate up to 10 amps of additional lighting off of my Supreme control box. And then here I have my center out, my left right, and right left traffic advisor. And then finally I have my night mode button here, so let's cover that. When it comes to our night mode, this will only be applicable on our optional Supreme control box, and there's 2 ways to activate your night mode. You can either use the button on your control box, which will activate the red backlit LEDs, or you'll see a white cable coming off of your cable harness as well. So let me go ahead and deactivate the button here. Now when I apply power to my white cable, you'll see that will activate my red LEDs on my control box for the night mode as well. And then my button will become inactive. So you'll see that you can either hook up your night mode via Hardwire, or you can use the button on your control box. And then when you activate your features, you'll see that your buttons will light up blue while you have your red backlit functionality there. So you'll see you have the perfect option whether you would like to hardwire your night mode or simply use the button on your control box. Now since this is a tow light bar, I do have my stop tail turn functionality. So with those cables, the red cable will activate my left module, the black cable will activate my right module, and the yellow cable will activate both of my modules. On all of our full-size light bars, you will get your included light bar feet, and these are adjustable along the bottom slide track of your light bar. And then you will get your included universal gutter mount brackets, and on certain models we do offer optional vehicle specific gutter mount brackets as well. And then you'll also see our optional permanent stud mount brackets and our headache rack mount brackets. And to mount these, you will remove your light bar feet and use the existing hardware on your light bar. So that covers our dual memory K-Force tow light bars. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos to see all of the flash patterns that are included with these units, and also check out our interactive players where you can fully demo your unit before you buy. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.